Hey guys, JVix here. I wanted to take a minute to ask a question. What is your favorite presentation building tool out of PowerPoint and Keynote and all those others that are online? And why is Gamma the absolute best? And if you're like, Gamma, what the hell is Gamma? I'm glad you're watching this video. I recently discovered Gamma a few months ago. Like I can even see that my first presentation built was 3 months ago. Okay. So 3 months ago, I discovered Gamma and it has changed like my business. And I'm going to show you how. The cool thing about Gamma is take your traditional PowerPoint or Keynote, but what if AI can basically create the whole thing? And all you have to do is edit a few little bits. We've built webinar slides in Gamma. We've built church slides in Gamma. We've built personal software, our software as a service product, Journey Builder. We've built slides for that inside of Gamma. But when I say we built it, AI built it. So there's a couple ways that you can use Gamma. So the easiest way is if you want to create a presentation, watch how fast we can create a presentation with Gamma. I'm going to go to create new and then create with AI. So we can paste in some text, we can generate from a one-line prompt, or we can import a file. So if you have a document or web page or presentation, boom, import it, you've got slides, right? So I'm just going to do a generate because why not? I'll just make a prompt. Watch this. I would like you to make a slide deck on the most common ways to help a child with ADHD, right? I have a child with ADHD. Why not, right? So we're going to try this, right? I want this slide deck. Let's also say talk about um, medication versus alternatives, maybe parenting tips, struggles, and what the child might be going through internally. Okay, so that's a pretty good prompt, right? It's pretty specific. We could go a lot deeper. We can also choose how many cards you want. So let's say we want this to be 12 slides, right? And we want to make a presentation. By the way, you can also make web pages and documents, right? So pageless or pageable, printable pages. You can make an interactive web page. Anyway, we're going to stick with the presentation for now. You can also choose if you want it to be tall, traditional, or default. I usually go with default, as I don't think I've ever changed it. And now we're going to generate the outline. Watch how fast. Boom, boom. 13 slides, actually. Helping a child with ADHD. What is ADHD? Medication versus alternatives, challenges and struggles, parenting a child, understanding a child's perspective, developing routines and okay, boom, right? Now, how much text do we want per card? Do we want very, very short, maybe some paragraphs, or do we want really detailed text? I typically, when I do presentations that I'm going to speak and do like workshop style, I want very little text per card. I can use just a sentence and a picture, and I can talk about it, right? Medium is good for those where maybe you're doing that webinar, right? And you want to if you're live, I say brief. If you're webinar, maybe medium. Detailed is if you're going to be sending this to somebody to look through, right? So if I just wanted to I'll stick with medium. Now you can also choose, do you want AI images? Do you want web images that you can search for? Do you want, automatic? Do you want web, AI? Do you want illustrations from pictographic, or just automatic? And it'll always try to find the best type. I'm going to go with AI images, and we're going to use, so you have an option of which models you want to use. And I do like Flux. I think Flux Pro is pretty good. And when you have a paid subscription to Gamma, which I do, is $20 a month. It's really easy. That's a good one. Now, advanced mode, actually, I don't know if I've ever looked at advanced mode. So here you go. Yes, I have. Who do you want to write for? Who's your audience, right? I would say I want to write for parents right? And what tone do you want? Do you want conversational, professional, academic, inspirational? I'm going to say conversational, right? So informal and friendly tone that mimics natural conversation. AI images, presentation, 13 cards total. Here's our outline. Here we go. Continue. Like I'm doing this live and in real time. No edits, no pauses. Now, what theme do we want? Let me move my face over here out of the way. You have several different themes that you can choose from in here, or you can create your own custom theme, right? So I'm not, for time's sake, let's just say I want to go with a colorful theme, and we're gonna do let's just go with this lavender. I think it's kind of nice. Whoops, I zipped down. This lavender theme, we'll pick that, right? So this is kind of what it'll look like. I think that's pretty good. I actually prefer more of a light theme. So if I chose light, we could probably let's see if we just, I don't want to spend a lot of time on this. I don't really like dark. So let's go. Yep, lavender's still there. So let's just stick with lavender. Okay, this is a good theme. Or we could do prism. Prism seems cool. It's very rainbowish and colorful, which a lot of parents would like when it's about kids, right? And then we click this generate button and watch what happens. This is why Gamma is amazing, right here. Check this out. It's generating images, AI generated images, and it's going to build all 13 slides this fast. This is real time, not pausing, just talking my way through it. Okay. Generating some images. All of it is editable, right? So if you see a point and you're like, I don't really like how this is laid out. I don't like what it says. I want to edit it. As a parent of a child with ADHD, I might want to interject more of my experience with her. And here we go. It's almost done. Still going. AI is generating the whole thing, right? What can we do? How do we support our child with ADHD? Or how do you support your child with ADHD? All right, almost done. Advocating for your child. These are all great things, by the way. I'm reading it as fast as I can. I know it's moving really quick, so I can't read everything. But some of the things that I've seen it build, I was like, it's perfect. So here we go. So look at this. I have in minutes, how long have we been on this thing? 7 minutes? So in 8 minutes, and most of it was me talking, I could do it a lot faster if I wasn't explaining what I was doing. I can actually take this presentation, if it were perfect, right? I didn't have to create it all in PowerPoint. I didn't have to look for the images. I didn't have to go into a different tool to make them and then import them. You can also search the web for images. All of the text comes from, I'm not sure which model it uses for text. It's probably, I forget if it's ChatGPT or Claude. I believe it's ChatGPT. And then I have some options here. So one of the things I can do, I can change or edit the theme. I can share with anyone. Like I can actually collaborate on this and give workspace members, if I have them on my team, access. I can share it with the link. I can do a password to view. That's the advanced. I can look at how many people saw it. I copy this link. Anyone with the link can edit if I wanted. So it's kind of like Google Doc permissions, right? Like I can say, hey, if you have this link, you can edit this doc. So it's great with clients. I can also export it to a PDF, to PowerPoint. I can export each slide as a PNG image file. So that's great. It tells you if you want to do it in PowerPoint, you need these fonts. And by the way, you click the button, it takes you to get those fonts and you can install them on your computer. You can also embed your Gamma on any website so your slides can be there. One of the neat things is there's also the present mode, right? So you can present, go into presenter view. So if you had notes that you wanted to add, you can do that. I mean, it is the best presentation builder I've ever come across. If you're not using Gamma yet, why not? I'm putting a link in the bottom somewhere right under this video, right around this video. Click the link, go check it out, try a trial, and I hope you love it just as much as I do. There's so much more in here. There's so much more. Like you can Every piece is editable. You can change the focus point. You can fit an image, right? I can fit an image in here, but I don't want to do that. I can change the focus point. Maybe I want to see the mess on the table and put it at her chin and just see the frustration with some books, right? Maybe start. You can change um, the sizing, make it a little bigger. There's a whole bunch of things you can add or change over here. There's so much that I didn't even go through. Styling your card, editing, right? Check, ask AI to look at your writing, make it longer, make it shorter, make it simple, more specific, different layouts. Totally control the whole thing, edit it the way you want. Anyway, that's enough for me today on this video. I hope you go check out Gamma. And if you're looking to check out Gamma, please just use the link below this video or above this video or wherever the link is on this page you're watching it at. Just go ahead and give it a shot. Try it out. Thanks. Hope you have a great day, and I hope you love it just as much as I do and use it even more than I do. All right, take care.